going to start dinner. Beans in the microwave for a little minute because I didn't soak them overnight. Pablo is funny. He thought I was talking to myself. Everything I told him. All right, so here are the beans. I don't know if you guys can see how they have opened up a little bit. See how they've opened up? So normally with dried beans, you want to let them soak overnight, but I didn't do that. Just put these in here. There. I'm gonna cut them in big chunks because they're just going to be. Actually, I think I'm gonna put this in. Let's put a little bit of this. I'll add some more afterward. Hey, what am I doing? All purpose, of course. A lot of that. Garlic. You don't want garlic salt, just a little garlic. Black pepper. A little salt, because I felt it. Vinegar. I'm gonna put some bay leaves. That's pretty much it. Maybe like 2. Well, that was 3. Yeah, so I told Pablo he should look at him remaking my drink. Cause I told him I would have made it fancy. Now he over here trying to remake it.
We'll try.
You don't have anything to wet the rim. Okay, let's see what he do. Okay, never mind my business.
All right.
Mind my business.
All right.
You guys, so this is the chicken out of the oven, but I'm going to try to put some of this on there. Now, I know I already put the mojo, but I want to put some of this. I'm going to try it. I saw it somewhere. So we're going to try it today. We're going to try it. We're going to put some of that on there. All right. And I'm going to cover it back up. Put it back in the oven. All right.
Born in 2015, 2025. Like, let's be smart. Me and Skyler.
Figure out right now. Woo! All right. So we melted some butter. We're gonna add it in there. I don't know what to do, but the country people do it. So, and they know how to cook. So we're gonna do that. Whoa! Pour that hot butter in there. Stir it up. Ooh. And if your pan don't look like this, you don't cook.
Oh.
I don't cook. Your pans gotta look like that.
So you're just saying your pan just looks greasy. You know that, right?
No, it's well cooked in.
That just means your pan
It's cured.
Beans.
is greasy.
Ooh. The beans. I feel like they cook it so high, but they're on a 4. Okay, babe. Huh?
Hey, look.
Golly. Don't touch that pan. Okay, let's put this in the oven. All right, you guys, this is my plate. And the chicken is falling apart. And that's what I wanted. So, I'm about to go eat and relax. Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to bring you guys along as I check out this cool vintage shop in my city. It is called Jacobson's and I've been here a couple of times, but today I was on a mission to find the perfect piece of art to add to my home. For some reason, I've been super inspired by the maximalist style lately, and I can't wait to add some of that character into my own home. I love how these pieces are unique and different, and they all tell a different story. They speak to you in different ways, and so I wanted to add some of that into my home. You guys, this table was absolutely stunning. I really wish that I had somewhere to put it, but unfortunately my space was so small I didn't. And this is extremely unique. If you're a fashion girl, that would definitely look good in a closet or somewhere. And also, look at this end table. That would be so cute for a little girl's room. They also had tons and tons of records and books in this little small room tucked away in the back with the village people, my husband. Teacups galore, you guys. And I saw this one. I was absolutely intrigued by it. I wanted to get it so bad. Just, romanticize my nights with some hot tea in my robe. And this corner shelf was also a nice piece that I enjoyed, but again, I had nowhere to put it. And so again, you guys, check out your local vintage shops because you can find some pretty unique things. This is actually, I think, a fire starter of some sort. I don't know. And this finger desk, I would use that as like a little table to sit and have coffee. And the cutest vessels. You guys know spring is here. I wanted to get this so bad, but I had to restrain myself. So yes, you guys, you can see all of the unique pieces. I'm so glad I went in this day, and I actually did find something that I love. So, hey you guys, so we are headed to the state fair today. It is impromptu. We didn't plan on it, but I went to a vintage shop today. I don't know if I'll include that, but on our way home, hubby was like, let's go to the fair. So that's what we're doing. I still have on my cap, my jeans, my sneakers. I just changed my top so that I will be cool, even though it's a strong breeze out here today. So I think that's why he was saying it's a good day. But it's a lot of wind blowing. I hope you guys can hear me. We are gonna get ready to go. We just stopped to get gas. So we'll see y'all at the fair. Alright, we made it. We are here. Everybody's here. Oh, look at the Ferris wheel in the background. Alright. So, see you guys when we get inside. In the bathroom doing what? This is what I always come for. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look,
Yes.
get in here. This is what I always come for. Okay. Dear Padati. So extra.
sauce right on the end.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My teeth clattering, my knees shaking, my shin shaking. Look at my knees. Good.
That's why I would never do that ride again, ever in life.
It's a fun ride though.
I would never do it again. You ain't win nothing?
What's color one?
He's so cute. I was recording. Look at Okay. It is almost 6 o'clock. My feet hurt. We still haven't even crossed the hump. There's a hump, which is like the halfway mark. Wait, finally. They probably can't even hear me because of that doggone thing, the foot massager. But we're having a good time. I want some fried Oreos now. You get that. I had, oh, all right, Skylar's out of the bathroom, so we're gonna go now.
This time I'm going on a roller coaster. Hear that, guys? This time, Bella Joy Mencha is going on a roller coaster.
All right.
Those roller coasters do not count. So
Back up,
go on
son.
roller coaster.
All right. Uh-oh.
All right, here comes your water, guys. It's automatic. That means all you have to do is aim. You don't have to push the buttons because they don't do nothing anyway. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, guys. Toe to toe. Watch. Non-stop to the top. We got number 8, number 10, number 10, number 8. Right here, Dad. Got you. Winner. 2 players got anything from this shelf. There goes one. Winner. Thanks, guys.
Let me see. That's nasty. Oh. All right, like that.